on how to thrive well and how to age backwards. So you saw the flyer or someone sent you the flyer. The question now is, what brought you here? Why are you here today? What if you didn't like your job? What if you did not have to worry about paying bills? What if you can live a healthier lifestyle? What if you can live life on your own terms? That is, wherever you are, if it's cold, you move to where it's hot and you can always move around. What if you could be a part of something bigger than yourself and you can accomplish all of this in one single place with one single company? Well, you're at the right place at the right time. The name of the company is Oddis, where we help people age backwards. What we're going to talk about today is the company overview, products you believe in, a simple, lucrative business plan, and how you can get started, helping families thrive. Now, going to the company overview, this company was established in 1990 by someone we lovingly call Papa. His name is Antonio and his beautiful wife, Miss Amedia. Beautiful, outside, inside, give the best hug. And the company believes in 4 pillars: faith, family, lifestyle, and legacy. Company is built on success, still growing, operating in 77 countries, 5 continents, more than 1.135 participating distributors. Like some of us on here are distributors. And this number is really more because ever since they put this together, people are still coming into the company. More than 300 million, yes, million has been paid out in commission. Are you going to get some of it? Are you going to get some of that money? Now let's switch gear. Let's talk about the products that you believe in. The cellular nutrition that can help you age backwards. We're going to focus on our essential. We have 3 products that is our flagship when it comes to the nutritional supplement. That is our red, green, and yellow. We uniquely call them the BioFlow, the BioFood, and the biofuel. You will see why the name suits. All you have to do is to take a shot of 3 combined essential every day, and this will help increase energy, strong immunity, improve gut digestion. How cool is that? When your gut is healthy, the cells become healthy. You can help but age backward. What about optimum cellular nutrition and health? You will get that with our Yellow Lviv. Those were just the ones that we picked out as a flagship product when it comes to the nutrition. We have other products that can help with different ailments. We even have a detox. We have the Ultra Body Cleanse. We have the Green Lviv in the family of that essential that will give you a gentle detox. And then we have Green 29. That is 29 greens in one bottle. What about omega 369? Sometimes you might find omega 3. You will find omega 9. But in one bottle, we have omega 369. Every time we give love to our face, our body, we go to the gym, we wash our face. What are you doing for your brain? Well, all this life thought about that. And we have what we call memory fusion. It will show your brain some love. Immunity 2020, life shows us that things might go in a different direction, but the company did not leave no stone unturned. We created something that we call Shield. That is your immune booster. We have the Noni. Noni is acquired taste. Some people call it painkiller. Some people call it fat burner. Noni you can apply inside and outside. Is a great product because some people have said the taste is so intense to match intense pain. So again, this company uses the best ingredients to make sure that the products work for you. We have the crown aloe. Most of you know aloe vera. Back then, my grandmother, we used aloe vera for a lot of things. Some people have given the testimony that using this crown aloe have helped their fibroid shrink. So have some given a testimony of that noni juice helping them with their blood pressure, give them energy, shrink the fatty tissue in the gut. Yes, yes, you are in for a treat. When you think you want to eat, you might not be hungry. We have what we call meal replacement. That is our NutriShake. I told you, the person that invited you here see a lot in you more than maybe you saw in yourself. So you're in the right place at the right time. What about coffee? Do you know someone that drank coffee? Well, the company have what we call healthy coffee. How will you like to drink coffee and lose weight? We have weight loss coffee. Every time you turn on the TV or you reading or you go to clinic, these days, the baby boomers, they want to look like they are 15. They want to look like they are really young. Guess what? The company have thought about that. We have what we call collagen. It will tighten your skin and keep you young. We have this, the newest addition to the family. This is our 7-in-1 cappuccino loaded with mushroom. If you do any kind of research, you will see that mushroom, powerful ingredients for the body. A lot of men have given testimony about using this 7-in-1 with red Lviv, how they were able to combat the little challenge that they have called erectile dysfunction. How will you like to drink coffee and then be able to satisfy your wife? The coffee can help. Before I go any further, just in case you didn't hear me the first time, I would like to give a disclaimer. This statement has not been evaluated by the Food or Drug Administration. They are not intended to diagnose, treat, or mitigate any disease. However, actions speak louder than words. We have to give that disclaimer. I've been with the company over 16 years. The company is about to celebrate 35 years being in business. The testimonies are volume. The testimonies are mind-blowing. So with such testimony, we know the product works. What are you going to do? Are you going to wait until it's too late? Or are you going to try the product and see how it works for you? The company did not stop there because the company is made up of two-step system. You've heard about the nutritional supplement. Now let's talk about the reshaping garments that will give your body the compression it needs. Two-step system will help you acquire a more permanent result. The compression garment will compress, reduce your waistline, but most importantly, it's a medically graded reshaping garment designed by orthopedic engineer. With your comfort in mind, as soon as you put on this body magic, it's gonna reduce you 2 to 3 sizes instantly, giving you overnight hourglass figure. You feel good, it's comfortable, it's adjustable. As you lose the weight, you can go to the next one. It was designed so that way, as you lose the weight, you can go to the next inches without buying another garment immediately. How cool is that? I told you, you're at the right place at the right time. We did not leave the man out. We have what we call abdomen. The abdomen is going to support the back and help reduce some inches on the waist area. If you're able to look on the camera, you will see that the guy with the abdomen look more fit, more smart than the one without. It drop your sizes. We have our angel bra. This angel bra is amazing. It can do a lot of things. This is the angel bra that they wear in the space because of the gravity. The angel bra can minimize, equalize, maximize one bra. No underwire, no foam, designed by orthopedic engineer, medically graded. You can use it as a sports bra. You can use it as a nursing bra, depending on who you want to nurse. It is doable. 9 out of 10 women wear the wrong bra. Are you one of them? I used to be until 16 years ago when I know better. You know, in life, it's always been, if you know better, you do better. Now you've heard about the nutritional supplement. You've heard about the coffee. You've heard about the reshaping garment. Now let's talk about money. If you are in the business, you are in the business because you want to make money. Yes, you want a lifestyle change. Yes, you want to help people. Yes, you want to do so many things. But what about making money? Yes, you want to do that too. So the company have 10 different ways. It was just 9 yesterday. Or is it me? Unmute somebody. Oh, this is gonna mess up my time. Okay, 10 different ways we get paid. The ambassador plan is where the company have went out their way and designed a website with your success in mind. This website, you can just share a link. A client will go there, purchase something. They're no longer afraid of giving you their credit card. They can pay for their own stuff. The company will ship them the product and you will receive a commission just because you share a link. The retail sale is where we buy low and sell high. 40% discount all the way up to 100% discount, because sometimes they will say buy two, get this for $5, $3. So you have to stay in, you have to be a distributor with international ID in order to achieve that. A little example is of buying low and selling high. The product, the essential, you bought it at $90. They are $50. Online, they are $57. But whereby you give it to someone because they're right there, you hand it to them, they give you back $50. They are winning, but you are winning also. If you do that 3 times in a week, you're making $720. The same thing with the reshipping garment. Brand partner make more. We're not gonna go into that. Example. This example is based on brand partner, but the 1600 is just for selling. A bra and an angel bra will be $76. Then you sell them, regardless of what you sell them to, you don't want to be less than $76. So whatever you sell them to, you are making money. But in this example, they got it for 76, they sold it for 215, they earn $139. If they do 3 sets a week, they'll be getting $1668 in a month. Yes, yes, yes. The express bonus, we share the product, we share the lifestyle, we share the good news, the company reward us, and that is called express bonus. Then we have, okay, this is what was sneaked in. Okay. Sales mentor bonus. Get rewarded for mentoring your bulk retailers. Monthly garment purchase. Okay. Oh, messing up my time. This is good, but I don't understand it 2000%. This I only apply to personal purchase made by member basic or business builder on your first level. So me, that be doing so much. Okay, don't worry, I'll move it. All right, cool. This is what made it 10. So I know this wasn't there before. All right, we're gonna talk about that on Thursday for those of you that were invited. All right, I'll recruit 3 and be free. Then power of 5. Number 5, power of 3. So get 3 people, teach them how to help 3 people. Unit level, the people that are right under you as they earn, you're gonna earn 5%. 5% might sound like nothing, but it add up over time. And you continue building your team, you will get unit level matching bonus. This is the bonus that is a matching bonus, 100%. So as you grow your team, you will continue earning, but most importantly, when the person you invite on the uni level, you will receive 100% matching bonus. Why? Because you invited them and you have helped them. So the company want to reward you for that. That's that check match. The rank bonus, as you grow your team, you start earning rank bonus. The rank bonus range from 200 to 3,000. As your team grow, so will your rank bonus grow. We have monthly car bonus. Excellent. Starting from 400 to 2005. That is a nice car that you will pay 2005 every month. That's a house note. But it got to be a luxury car. You deserve it. You work hard for it. The pay setter is where you can make $225,000 in 1 month just because you did things on time. But what if you didn't do them on time? Will you lose? No, the company said we're going to give you half. You're still earning. The company is always giving. And this is only the beginning. What if you can start today? There are 3 types of people in the room. One is interested on everything I have said. They want to make money. They want to train. They want to build. And one say, I'm not interested, but I can retail. You're welcome. And one say, this is not for me, but I know people that can benefit from it. We welcome you. With that being said, we know that an appointment with artists will change your life because it only takes $30 to be a member that will qualify you to start buying products at 40% discount. When you want to build, like what we're doing now, you want to present, you want to build, you want to recruit 3 and help them, all it will take you is $299. And that is not just money you're giving away. It is money you gave to buy the product to start your business. So the $299 comes with products, not just a specific product. Yes, you can get a pre-packaged product, but also you can customize your pack. So will you like to start today? Get back with the person that invited you. Tell them you are interested in starting today. Thank you so much for listening to me. An appointment with artists always can change your mind, your life, if you give it the opportunity.